Hi everyone, my name is Coleman and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just wanted to give you all like a little juicing update on how it's going and things that I've noticed. If you all are interested in juicing and just wanting to incorporate some juicing or some juices in your everyday, life, or just wanting to juice for weight loss. And there's also great benefits of juicing as well. You're able to get those nutrients that you don't really get if you aren't eating those certain vegetables and fruits. So I'm going to give y'all a little bit of facts, and because I don't want to just be sitting here saying anything like I know everything, which I don't. So I got my handy dandy book here, and I am going to link this book below. I bought this from off of Amazon, and I'm also going to link the juicer that I use, and I bought it from off of Amazon as well. So let's get it started. Let's go. So what is juicing? And I'm going to read from my handy dandy book. So juicing is the process of extracting juice from fruits and vegetables. Juicing can be done with a citrus press, or it can be done using an electric household appliance called a juicer. Now, one thing that I learned in this juicing book, that there's 3 types of juicer. So of course we know that we have your slow juicer, also known as your masticating juicer. And with that one, I feel like, you'll get the most nutrients out of that one because it's going really, really slow. Now, then there's a centrifugal juicer, and this one is a little bit faster, and I feel like this is the one that everyone pretty much lean towards. And this one isn't as expensive as a slow juicer, but you can get you a fast juicer or a centrifugal juicer, and with that one, I feel like you get more pulp instead of juice out of your centrifugal juicer, and versus a slow juicer, you get more juice instead of pulp, and it's going really, really slow. With the slow juicer, these are basically like they're netting and grinding the material in the feed chute and squeezing the juice into that container. And the benefits of this slow juicer is it operates at a lower speed than other juicer, which means it produces less heat. So slow juicer, less heat. Fast juicer, you're gonna have more heat, and it's basically going to what's the word I'm looking for? I cannot think. I'm having a brain fart right now, but basically you're not going to get as many nutrients from a centrifugal juicer versus a slow juicer. Now the third one, it's called a titrating juicer. Now a titrating juicer is a twin gear juicer that utilizes a 2-step juicing process. And so basically when produce is fed through the juicer, it is first crushed, then it's pressed. And from what I'm reading here, these are a little bit pricier than the slow juicers. I thought the slow juicers were the more were really expensive, but I didn't know that third juicer, that titrating juicer, is really expensive. And I haven't looked one up yet, but I'm going to look one up and compare prices if they're saying that it's really, really expensive. So what are the benefits of juicing? So the benefits of juicing is an excellent alternate if you do not normally like eating raw fruits or vegetables. Juicing, of course, is quick and easy process. The resulting juice can be taken with you on the go. We all know that. And then another thing about juicing or other benefits is homemade juices have a fresh squeezed taste. Store-bought juices simply can't compare. And then another thing or a great benefit about juicing is you can even disguise the flavor of vegetables by combining your juices with other, your favorite fruits. Mine is pineapple. For some reason, I love putting pineapple in all of my juices. The last couple of recipes, I did my best not to add pineapple in most of my juice recipes, but I love, it's something about that pineapple juice and all of my, oh my goodness, it is just, it's good. It's really sweet. And we know pineapples they have great, health benefits. And then lastly, another thing with, a lot of people when they juice is the leftover pulp from juicing can be used in baked goods, such as muffins, or a base for homemade stocks or broth. So juicing has its benefits. And another thing, some people, like I said it before, they'll juice for weight loss or to detox. This book here has a lot of fruit juices, green juices, and vegetable juices. And it even tells you what that type of juice is good for. If it's good for, let me go back here. If it's good for health digestion, if it's anti-cancer, brain health, heart health, cleanse and detox, bone and blood health. And if you can see here, this book gives all of that. And so when you go to a juice, like the celery juice, it'll tell you what it's all good for when it comes to your body. So that's the reason why I really like this book here. And again, got this from off of Amazon. As you can see, juicing for beginners, because your girl is a beginner. But so far I am enjoying juicing. All right, so let's talk about some of the things that I've kind of noticed when I've started juicing. So one, I've noticed that I go pee a lot. I know that's TMI, but it's like when I started juicing, I'm like, I am peeing so much. I know when you drink a lot of water makes you go to the bathroom, but Lord Jesus, I am going I pee a lot when it comes to juicing. So you will be running to the bathroom, because I usually will consume 2 juices a day. I'll drink one in the morning on an empty stomach. And then if I don't feel like eating anything, I will use it as the meal replacement, or sometimes I'll use it as a snack, because I really don't eat 3 meals a day. So I will just drink one of them as a meal. Another thing that I've noticed is my stomach has gone down a little bit as far as feeling bloated. So that's another thing that I've noticed, along my juicing journey. Weight, I haven't really noticed much weight loss, maybe inches. And I said the next monthly checkup when it comes to me juicing, I think I'm going to take measurements this time around my waist and my hips. I think I'll do waist and hips. That's it. That's all we're going to do. But I haven't really noticed much weight loss. I have still been trying to do my best to eat a lot healthier, not consume so much sugar. I love sugar and bread. So I have been doing my best not to consume so much, and working out. My workout regimen, I try to go to the gym at least 3 times a week, or a little bit more, just depending on how I feel. And lately I have either been doing 45 minutes to an hour on the Stairmaster. I know some of y'all like, what? 45 minutes an hour on the Stairmaster? Yes, 45 minutes an hour on the Stairmaster. Now, when I get on the Stairmaster, depending on how I feel that day, I will start out on a level 1 or a level 2, and I will work my way up. Okay, I don't just get on there guns blazing and just start, I'm just about to start walking. No, if you are new to the Stairmaster, take your time on the Stairmaster, okay? You don't have to get on there and start real fast. If you want to start slow and work your way up. But by the time I'm done, I will either end up on a level 4 or a level 5, okay? I am taking my time, and you're still going to get a good sweat on that Stairmaster, and you are going to feel it all in your legs, and you might feel it in your abs a little bit too, but you're going to definitely feel it in the lower body. Now, other exercises, I will either also do the treadmill, and I will do 45 minutes to an hour on that, and I will be on an incline on that one, and I will start, of course, level 1 incline, and by the time I'm done, I will be on a incline of a 10, and my speed will be 3 by the time I'm done. But I just work my way up as well. I don't just get on there again, guns blazing. I'm just gonna flat out start running and walking real fast, and I'm not gonna start out on a 10 the entire time. I will work my way up to that, because I am a old athlete here. I played tennis in high school and college, so I'm not in the shape I was years ago. So I'm trying to get back in shape, but I know I can do it. I know my body can do it. So for the next month, I think, again, like I stated, we're going to take measurements, and we're going to do better with weighing ourselves. I think instead of me weighing myself every day, I'm going to do it once a week. So Friday will be my weigh day. And then I'm also next month, the next month, I'm going to also incorporate more exercises, as far as maybe just do 30 minutes on the Stairmaster or treadmill. And then let's go do some ab work. Let's do some arms, get these arms back all toned up, and buttocks and legs. So I'm going to start slowly but surely incorporating all of those. My skin, I have a little bit of makeup on. I've noticed that my skin is a lot clearer as well with juicing. I know I've said a lot, y'all, but I've noticed that my skin is a lot clearer as well when it comes to juicing. What else have I noticed? Hungry. I have my metabolism. It's like I've gotten really, really hungry. So that's another thing I'm working on, is making sure I'm eating meals that are fulfilling, and having some snacks. Excuse the noise, you all. And also having some healthy snacks as well when I am hungry, and drinking water. That's something that I've never just been too fond of, drinking water like that. I don't know why. If it's ice cold, I can drink it, but that's another thing that I am going to be working on, is drinking water. And also sleeping. Sleep is about the same as well, but my metabolism has shot through the roof when I notice it. One thing I've noticed about when it comes, or starting this juicing journey, I'm just rambling now, y'all, but I think that's about it that I have noticed when it comes to juicing. I think that's it. I'm trying to think. If I can think of anything else, maybe I will put it in the description box. Another thing I also want to talk about is, I guess, the where I get my produce from. So for me, it's cheaper to get everything from Trader Joe's. I live here in Tennessee, so we have some Trader Joe's here. And I've been able to get all of my fruits and vegetables from Trader Joe's, and it's very cheap to get it there. Find places where you know that you're not going to spend a lot of money to juice, because I like to batch juice. I like to make sure I have enough for the entire week. I have 16-ounce glass bottles, so that'll stretch me out until, Thursday, sometimes maybe Friday. Just depends on how many juices I actually drink that day. So I try to drink at least 2. If I don't, I'll definitely drink 1. And sometimes I find myself juicing again, that same week, so I can have some going into the next week. So try to go to a Trader Joe's, your local farmer's market. If they have deals when it comes to buying certain fruits and vegetables, get those fruits and vegetables while they have a sale. That way you're not spending a lot of money on your produce. So just to wrap all of this up, so far I am loving juicing. I've always liked green juices. I used to go to the juice bar and get one, but it's definitely cheaper, juicing myself, instead of going to go buy a juice every day. That's like $8 and maybe $10, depending on the ounces and, the place or the store that you're buying it from. But get you a juicer. You don't have to spend a lot of money on your first juicer. Again, I bought mine from off of Amazon. It was like it was $99, if I'm correct. Again, I will link it. I think there might be a coupon on $30 off. I think it's $129 now. And with the coupon, I think that'll take it down to $99. And one day I would like to get a more expensive one that has a larger chute on it, because sometimes it does take a little longer to juice, especially when I'm, because the chute on my juicer is it's really small and narrow. So I would like to get one that's a little bit more, that's more expensive, that has a larger chute, and that's still a slow juicer. So I know the Nama J juicer, the Nama juicer is a good one. And I think if I'm saying this other name right, Coving. I'm really liking the Coving one because I saw that there's other attachments to that one, but I'm a little jealous of the ones that decided to splurge on the bigger one, because I just, just to watch them drop a whole apple or a whole lemon in there, and it still, produces more juice, than pulp, and it's still a slow juicer. And then another thing, you guys, again, if y'all don't know where to start when it comes to juicing, get you a book. This has all of the benefits, health benefits. It even tells you, the benefits of each fruit and vegetable. So you are aware of what it's doing to your body. For those that are diabetic and you can't have, too much fruit juices, these have green juices and vegetable juices. And then also you'll know which juices or which fruits have, more sugar in it as well. And also this book has a nutritional information chart. So you are aware of how many calories, the protein, carbs, fat, fiber. It has all of that in this book. Even for your additives like your hemp seed, your flax seed, your wheatgrass, all of this stuff. It even has a conversion table. But y'all, get y'all a juicer, start y'all juicing journey. If you all have any questions, put them, in the comments section. If you all just started juicing, let me know how it's going. Put it in the comments section. But in the words of the pastor, in closing, I hope that you all enjoyed this informative video on my juicing journey, my 1 month, update here. But don't forget to like, comment, share with your neighbor, and subscribe. And I will see all of you guys next time. Oh, and go check out some of my juicing videos if you guys are interested. And I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all. I got to go.